Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use RAND and RAND between formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. If you want to create random numbers in Excel, no need to type them again and again. Excel automatically create random numbers using RAND function, whereas RAND between function returns a random integer between the given numbers range. Open Excel 2007. To generate random numbers, select a cell and type the following formula equal to RAND, close the bracket, enter. Then it will generate random decimal number. We can increase or decrease decimal values. And to create multiple random numbers, click and drag from the bottom right corner. After this, we will use RAND between formula. By using this, we can create random numbers between the given limits. Select a cell and type the formula equal to RAND, select RAND between, and we need to enter the starting limit, comma, and select closing or top limit. Close the bracket, enter. Then it will generate the random number between the given limits. Again, click and drag from the bottom right corner to create multiple random numbers. And notice that we got the random numbers between 25 and 100. Similarly, to generate random numbers in sideways, click on the bottom right corner and drag sideways. Then it will generate the random numbers, and we will get only the random numbers depending on the given limits. And after this, if you want to format this, select the data. In Home tab, click the arrow next to conditional formatting. Navigate to color scales. Here we will get various formats. Simply hover the cursor on each format. And we will get the preview. Select any format. And if you want to generate numbers with decimal between specific limits, please type the following formula equal to RAND between. I'm entering 25, 100. Close the bracket. And I want to divide this by 10. Press enter. Then it will generate random number between 2 and 9 with decimals. To create multiple random numbers, click and drag from the bottom right corner. Actually, it cannot generate numbers with decimals. The function generate values between 25 to 100 and divide the output with 10. So the range becomes 2.5 to 10, and drag sideways to get multiple random numbers. And in some cases, we need to generate negative numbers. For that, please type the formula equal to RAND between. I want to create negative numbers between -50 and -20. Close the bracket, enter. Again, drag from the bottom right corner. Then it will generate the negative numbers between -50 and -20. And if you want to get negative numbers with the decimals, select a formula. Here, divide by anything. Now it is showing the negative numbers with the 2 decimal values. And after this, we can also create random text strings. For that, please select a cell and type the following equal to character. In this, please type RAND between. Here, please type 97, 122. Close the RAND between function and close character. After that, press enter. Then it will generate the random text. In this function, we need to use 97 and 122 only because all characters have a numeric code, and the code function lets us convert a character to a numeric code. In this, 97 considered as A and 122 as Z. So by generating random numbers between 97 and 122, we will get characters from A to Z. Let's click and drag from bottom right corner. And if you want to combine different functions to a text string, select the formula. Here we need to add ampersand. Again, type character RAND between. In this, please type 97, 122. Close the bracket. Again, type ampersand character RAND between 97, 122. Close brackets and enter. Then it will combine different characters to a text string. Like this, we can use RAND and RAND between formulas in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel itbud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.